Morning, students. I am Assistant Professor Arti Prasad, EX Department, SIRT College, Bhopal, and the topic is the Triple E. Subject is the Triple E, Energy and Environmental Engineering, and the subject code is the ES 301. And the topic is air pollution. Today we discuss in this lecture air pollution. What is air pollution and the classification of the air pollution. Let us start discuss what is air pollution. So air pollution is defined as the undesirable contamination of gas, smoke, dust, fume, mist, odor, or chemical particulates in the atmosphere which are injurious to human being, plant, and animal. Or you can say contamination of the natural composition of air by harmful substances that tends to harm the humans, plants, and animal, right? So what is the causes of the air pollution? What is the reason of the air pollution? Why this happen? So when discussed what is the causes of air pollution, first one is the industrialization, and some example is that the vehicle emission, or you can say main reason is the population or deforestation, the major reason for air pollution. And the source of air pollution, like in this, divided into two parts. First one is the natural, and the second one is the anthropogenic. Anthropogenic means artificial or a man-made. So when discussed natural, like volcano eruption, forest fire, deforestation, right? So this is the natural source of air pollution. When we discuss man-made air pollution, so like vehicle emission, industrial emission, coal burning, right? So this is the industrialization. So this is the our man-made or artificial source of air pollution. Now discuss classification of air pollutant. So air pollutant can be broadly classified into two types. First one is the primary pollutant and the second one is the secondary pollutant, right? So what is primary pollutant? It can be defined, or you must say that are emitted directly from either natural event or from a human activity. So what is human activity, and some examples of human activity or a natural environment? Like when we discuss natural environment are like dust, storm, volcano, and the human activity like emission, like vehicle, industrial waste. So example like carbon oxides, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, hydrocarbon, particulate matter. So these are the examples of the primary pollutant. And what is secondary pollutant? When reacting primary pollutant, when reacting with each other or from a basic components of air, form a new pollutant that is called secondary pollutant. So example is sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid. So these are the some examples of the secondary pollutant. So this is the classification of pollutant. Then discuss the some common air pollutant. So I will take only one example of common air pollutant, that is carbon monoxide. So in this carbon monoxide, we have discussed source of carbon monoxides and the effects of carbon monoxide. So what is the source of carbon monoxide? First, we discuss what is carbon monoxide. So it is a colorless flammable gas which is a product of incomplete combustion. So if carbon were completely oxidized during burning, so complete combustion to carbon dioxide would occur and the carbon monoxide would not be a problem. So it is important not to confuse carbon monoxide with the carbon dioxide, right? So what is the sources of the carbon monoxide? So it is a formed whenever a carbon containing material is burned, like automobile exhaust, cigarettes. This is the example. So in addition to motor vehicle, sources of carbon monoxide include burning coal, natural gas, or a biomass gas, right? So biomass combustion can be significant source of exposure in rural area or in undeveloped countries where it is burned for cooking, heating, and even lighting. So So this is the sources of the carbon monoxide when we discuss effects of carbon monoxide. So in this topic, we discuss health effect and the environmental effect. What is the health effect? So many thousands suffers from carbon monoxide related illness, which include headache, dizziness, drowsiness. So it shows that about 11% heart failure caused by excessive carbon monoxide, or you can say if it has other adverse effect in the body like interference with the oxygen carrying protein in muscles. So this is the effect of health effect. And the what is the environmental effect? It increases global temperature. So this is the carbon monoxide, definitions of the carbon monoxide and the sources of carbon monoxide and the effect of carbon monoxide. In this topic or in this lecture, we have discussed what is air pollution, types of pollutant, and the common air pollutant, that is carbon monoxide. Thank you.